Kakenhun Awaken India Movement hapok kajingyalam usamla bansyai marbanyang ubolong ucerman bat hagajingya senran lang iba Churchill's imle ba bayatai lapang bat iba jatin khong malai haka arpau tarik menta ubnai kilawan banya kynduh yau director jangkakat ling sun Shillong Airport kabadon hapok Umroi jangkri bhoi district hapok kejela Meghalaya kabahap hapok kajing penyat napok ka Airport Authority of India kabalang ka statutory body balapej daka Ministry of Civil Aviation jangka sarkar India ka AIM kalabo ikajingkali na director halor ka extension project jangka Shillong Airport kabakat hado mentakisngi kelempat yo EAA ru bakan don kajingkentiu ke airport kabadangnya sa kumcu wat hado san po arsnem kaladon hapok kecela bat hakabala pentrai kam yaka nado usnem kat khandai spa nyopau Kidau kibala penloi ka kunhun ban le chungoi ke airport kalong hadien baki layak sngawi ke jing ut jing nam chung ki babun balang kibalej banwan lang ba ke airport badru kumbala yak sngaw bakan don no ke jing keliang ke airport syaki waipat ki jaka kibadon hapo ke jela Meghalaya kalong shisha ke bapen lengo yau babun balang halor ke ai kadau ban hap keliang ke airport bat halor ke ai kadau ban keliang jaka wat hadin san po arsnem kumba kiling sun kilayan klem kanu kujing thun kami bnia lang bakat Civil Engineering Department jangka Airport Authority of India nado usnem kat khandai spa nriu phau kaban long ka kat ling sun kabadan hapo kejela Meghalaya u director jangka kat ling sun ulayathu baman lagapor uju yaiban jaka sarkar jela ni wat shadu ka sarkar kme banwan ra ikijing don kam bakong san badru ban kentil kijing tai kibaron kam Umroi hadu menta dang yo i tang kumba artli ki parking bat ki perimeter wall kabadang don hapedeng kijing pentrai u director ulo angru baka Shillong Airport kadang red palat ban longkum ka National Airport ladayan nujor bat kiwei Namar barang don shibun kijing duna bat kibenta kabakongsan bandang penyar kumkiran with stripes bat markings hadu kan menta dang don kumbah drill teli kiling sun kibadang yan nakate ke airport bat ulaong badang don kam ban kentiu shushu halor kibenta badon kam ulayathu ru baka project surveying in extension and mapping technology halor kate ke airport kalayat daka proposal sanction kumbah nyau hajar praspak rule Henry Omsyam layai bala pentri kam kat hadu menta nakadaw baka sarkar jela kaong ba omdon pisa ka AIM kalabo kecingkali halor ka benta bala pentri kam ni kat kumkan International Airport Authority Act 1971 Henry kacubab kalong ba Omsyam pat lala ban itu ketika airport hadu menta syakiwei kiri jong kapertai Namar ba enha banjat kerkum karai balabu lang ba ka parliament jangkari India u director ulayathu ru bakaladan kacing sedang ban penyari ketika kaling sun lang ba ka than kete bat sauriang handai lahap ban pensange no nakadaw baka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kamsyam la ai ka license jongki jaka hagaban pentri kampura ya ketika kaling sun nakabenta ban kantiu katkum ki benta bakongsan ula ongru bagajing duna pala jongki staff ki batray po kate kaling sun kala penlong bawat hadu kesingisan deru kinhaban leit
agbon kong di wan ni ha po di ka Shillong Umroi Airport nilayo ban ngoni kynduh yai direktur rasikan de nakaliang kejungi ka AIM nilayo bannya discuss nilayo bannya keren bat i director jong gane ka Umroi Shillong Airport de kanong idap da kajing sukmen hakabang nilayo ya kaban kynduh bat i agane ka sngi ka pementa hakabang nilayo ban perkhat sibon ki kejingi pleu jumut nakabenta karoi kapar namta kane kali ban kumlo ban develop show abadai mat kene ka Umroi Shillong Airport te kumba ngila yo bane kynduh i nilayo banyak keren banyak tai sani bha abai de bat kane naduk ki ID card naduk ki staff ki baterai hang ne ya keba kembang ile ini hang kini ki ID jong kini ki staff ki baterai hang ne kidon ki ba ai Shillong airport kidon ki ba ai Umroi airport kidon ki ba ai Barapani airport tenrai ke eba nak kalian ni kuak kalong ba kade ban long bet tang kawi ka ID akabade bat ka kum kinong tray kiba kinde ki staff po jong kini ka airport ke kumancuban kalong ba ni kuak hi ban ai ka Shillong bracket Umroi airport Namar ba ka keten berapa ni kawan kamde hi keten khasi ke den bangi layo tai sani ngilai keren bat i director te kumtahi ko bangi tip namar kani ka airport ko hang ne po Umroi ka bangi na kaliang juga AIM ngapet ngilayit kimi ma te kumtahi kintu ya kibade pet hang ne po jong kani ka airport kantam ya ka sarkar pynkriah hi borok koi namar kidon ki besong hari ni ki kaput jong kini ki boundary ki ba ya khap mat kini ka airport te ngi kintu ba kide ban pej ye kiro ling ba kinu kilat jingrat ki skim ki bawan ling ba ka CSR ro tidak ban ai ka jingrap na banta kini ki besong ki kaput jong kini ka airport susu kumba i kini ki singi ki mentah ga jingwan jong ni flight dalong bet kabade tang hapo north east te kabade bat cabar north east kadang tang hapo Kolkata bat kalawan teng ro hapo Delhi te bat mentaro kalajak no ka flight ka balik nani Namar hapo Delhi ten rei ngit skamba ngidon kamban yo yegi flight ki balik lingba nang ni hapo Umroi hapo Chennai hapo Bangalore hapo Goa bat kumta terter ki state ki buran hapo jong ka area India hai borok kawai nang ba kan kam pensuk ya kinong leit nang wan kat e ka bangin leit chiduk sipok Guwahati enrei lada kadon hang ni hapo ka jela ka jungi hi ni po mi kala kumut ka kamsuk hi yang iru ba dang leit chikino ki state ki badon hapo jong kani kari India borok kawai te ngatrai endomun kiten hi abade ba kani kam ngin nang isong perkhat susu ro ke ki bangin nang ya chekmat ane bangin nang move chekmat abade ba kani airport nang ba kini ke airport ka badon hang ni bat kan long hi bat kade hiru ban sa hang ni kanom dei ban ja lane kanom dei ban leit shawei lane kanom long da kumbai pat enrei ngi skam ba kan nang yai kiu abai dei bat kani ka jingdon jong ni airport hang ni ke ngi skam ba nak kaliang jong ka government ro kan pet kan khmi bha abai dei bat kani ka bantah hapo jong kani ka Shillong Umroi airport te sian hi ka ba ngi nak lian juga em ro ngin sa yo hi ban le kynduh ya chief minister lane bat ya kino ki ba de ban pej ban khmi ya kani ka airport ka bodon hang ni te nak lian ka junga tangkum tahi te ngi skam ba kum ki pai ba nong song hi bodon hapo jong ka jela mi gele bo ko ba in ai lang ka jing trelang ka jing snuk tilang nang ban ka jing don jong kan hang nero kan long ro ka jing plilam plinti nagam ta ki samla ki bon kam don jam te ngi skam ba andala upgrade e kani mar kanane ia mentah kanane kadang dei tang small airport te ngi skam ba lada nginyo ban upgrade ban penhe isu e kani ngi skam ba borok ki lokal lane ki khasi ki jungi kinyo e ka ban ya simenta ban ya tray ban ya kta ang ni kum kalat yo kam jam ban ya pendap pendiang hi ke jing san hi borok kowe te tang kini hi kintin ke bakhiat ak lang chunga ada te ta kajungan ka jungi hang ni hapo Umroi coba di ka Shillong airport ding swing ko badan ani ko badi ka national ding swing mo tingiwan hang ni banyak kynduh yu director jong kani ka airport bangin yo ka jing pensai nakaliang ka jong
bat nangaliang gini kinong syong hakani kalan kat kajungi osngong kajungi yakani ka shwa bakanwan kani interstate airport mo kabanwan hani po Umroi dina kaliang kajungi ngiwan ban ya perkat ban ya keren syang gai temat kaman upgrade yakani aso bakasoka nakaliang kasoka kelaplan bancit dakawi ke jaka ni kalau visit keleng-keleng ke jaka mereka adu mata ngapat yo semua bakal yo ndai iwan ban visit ang ni ke jaka mata ngi i bakal kani ke jaka kadang long fit bangin bu kata international airport hang ni po Umroi.
Okay, thank you very much. Today we are from the Awakening the Movement, a national team from India. So what we're coming here today to have a meeting with the the director of the Airport Authority of India, Shri Rishi Khan, and then we're having a discussion with him regarding this issue, as what we have seen, that is the airport, the Shillong Airport, having here in the state of Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, we're having only one airport, and this is the airport that we don't know exactly till date whether it is a national airport or international airport. So in regarding with these issues, as we have seen as per the airport authorities of India, what they have mentioned, they need exactly to upgrade the airport and also to have an extension as soon as possible, because why, as we have heard from time to time from any part of the peoples and the citizens of India, we hear that there's some extension to another part of the state of Meghalaya in any different places. But what we are seeing for, as per the discussion we have with the director, since the year 1960, in the year 1960, they have already doing the parts of survey of this airport, and also in the year 1970, they have made the establishment for this airport. So what we have also discussed in regarding for this identification, the ID card for the staff of this airport, and also the staff of this airport is very limited. They having only a small numbers of staff in this airport, and also in the ID card, some of the staff they have mentioned as per the location mark, they have mentioned a Barapani airport. Some of the staff they have mentioned Umroi airport, and some of the staff they have mentioned Shillong airport. That's why from the Awaken India movement, as a national team of India, we need that the state government to extend, also to make a development for the rights of the citizens, as we have seen, because why should be the national airport and also should be the international airport at the same time, because most of the citizens in every part of India, they came here to be a tourist, they came here to visit the state of Meghalaya. Also, they came here in many different ways, many different issues. That's why, but while seeing as per this runaway of this plot of this airport is very small, very limited also. And also, they should be created, it should be extended. Because why? And also from the director, what he has mentioned, that this project, as per the project sanction, what they have proposed to the National Authority of India of this airport, they have proposed 7,800 crores, but the state government didn't accept it. They didn't accept it because why? They refused. They said because they didn't have money. And what is the meaning of that for doing another extension in a different part of the areas? Why directly the state government didn't extend this old airport? Since the year 1970, it has been already constructed as the airport in the state of Meghalaya, but till date not functioning anything, but just only 6 flights only, as we have seen, up and down running, even Sunday also running this airport. And also even only a limited staff. It doesn't mean that all the staff should be working at the same time, but should be some staff day by day. They should have an exemption, they should have a gap for working as a staff of the airport. That's why, as we have mentioned also with the director, this airport it should be named only one name, that is Umroi Airport. Therefore, from the Awaken India movement, what we have discussion about also, even the International Airport Authorities Act 1971 also, in this airport didn't mention anything about. This airport is only functioning only with the Airport Authorities of India, that is AAI. That is working only from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India. And also while having a discussion with the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DCA, only the DCA also now they are under preparation on doing for the extension. But while we have discussion with the director said there is some extension like this Umkhti and Saureng area also, that the hills cut it in many different parts. But what as we have seen, accordingly as per the discussion from the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, they stopped the license. They didn't issue the license to make the extension for this airport. Because why? I thought that might be they need money. Why they need money? What is the meaning for having a money first before doing any development for the state? This is very important. That's why what we are seeing, that the district council should issue the license properly for the airport, and also should issue the license because why? This airport is not only doing for a business for any peoples, it's doing also one of the main issue to create the development for the state, also to make the state popularity accordingly as per the Indian. Because why? The state of Meghalaya is in India. And also the preparation of the project, everything, also the state government should listen about this, should look properly and normally. Because why extension? It should be required not by extension to any other places, as we have seen what we are hearing from the news from everywhere, every part what we are hearing from day by day. The state government shall extend in different parts of the state, I mean in different location. But why? Because what we are demanding as the Indian citizens, as the concerned citizens, what we are coming here today, the state government shall develop this old airport. This is Umroi Airport, this is an old airport, and also should be extended from time to time, and the state government should be looking properly. Because why? As we are also saying, based as per this Article 12 of the Indian Constitution, it's already said the government and Parliament of India, that is executive and legislature of the Union, shall talk, shall listen, shall do. Because why? For the rights of the citizens, for the importance of the citizens, by moving in many different parts, location, areas of the state of India. In many different states in India, they should listen about this, all these things. That's why the extension of land, the extension of development, everything in this airport should be listening properly, should be doing properly, and also the setup. As per the name of Umroi Airport, it should be done as soon as possible. Because why? We don't know on what to do and how to do. But what we are demanding here, we are demanding for the development of this old airport. As an old airport, it should be the airport for the best of the state, for the best of the citizens, and also for the important in every part. Many of the citizens in India, they should come and visit, they should come and do anything, and also can be create a development for the tourism in the state of Meghalaya. That is one of the main important things. And also from the IM, we should go and meet the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We should also go to meet the Chief Executive Member of the KHADC for having a discussion with this. And we don't know properly on what happening for this development of this airport and what we are doing for. Because why? The main issues of this meeting today, because of this regional employment. That means the employment for the local peoples here in Meghalaya state, especially for these local people in these areas of Umroi, Ribhoi, Nongra, it should be very important. And also why? Because youth should be getting an employment, and also youth should not be listening for on how to having alcohol and how to having drugs, whatever it is. Because of unemployment, the youth now fall down into the ground. But for this development, if the airport having a development in the state of Meghalaya, I hope that most of the youth should get employment in this airport. That is very important things, and thank you very much.